Greetings and welcome to this video. How I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade stickers. So here are some images I'm going to turn into stickers. Now these I got from the back of an old calendar, and the back of calendars they have all the images, and if you like that calendar, keep it because you can turn them into homemade stickers. So this is what we're going to do. Cut out the images, but don't cut them out individually just yet. Is keep a thin border around all the images because this is going to help you cut them. Then you need some double-sided tape. This is going to make them into stickers. This is carpet tape. You can do exactly the same thing except it's very sticky. So if you use carpet tape, if you stick the stickers down, it's going to be really hard for you to pick it back up. So I've cut some tape and I'm going to stick it on there. You want to go in with your scissors and then you want to cut out your stickers. You want to cut out your images, should I say. Three. So there you have it. 3 homemade stickers. Sorry for the lighting, guys. How cool are those? And then you there you go. Stickers. How cool.